hoping this place will be a supreme. Traveling far on the road of life, the hour feels like late afternoon light. Soon the sun will sink low and be gone, but I keep moving, I keep holding on. Dreams don't know the time of day. They grow and shine, never fade away. Dreaming of better things, come what may. I'll carry hope no matter the way. A fish always wishes for water clear and warm, swimming through currents, whether calm or storm, looking for stars in a moonless night, praying those lucky stars come guide my sight. Another suitcase, another empty wall, another dream waiting to be installed. Standing in the middle of late of that afternoon light, praying those lucky stars to guide